Hello friend, I just finished this hat. Somebody ordered for me 1 dozen of Seahawk's hat. See, it's 12 of them, 13 I mean. So now I'm going to show you how I did. And this is a crochet and knit together. Okay, I changed 30. I'm going to make a small hat. So 30 and then just connect it. 1, 2. And then double crochet all around, all around in there. Then I have to put the numbers too. All I have to do is put the numbers in a hat. It's number 12. I have to crochet the 12, 1 and 2. So almost there. It's all double crochet, and this one is like 3 or 4 colors that I have to do. I'm just making a small hat so I can show you how I do it. Some people call this a Tunisian knitting. I'm practicing knitting with 2 needles and circular needles. I'm not really perfect for that yet, but this way I kind of I like it the way it is. I mean, it looks neat. Okay. Or maybe I got one more so I don't have that hole. Okay, so now I have that double crochet all around. Now I'm going to change a yarn, I mean a needle for 5mm hook. And this is the way I do it. It's like a Tunisian. Some people say it's Tunisian. But Tunisian is, you have to go back to your right side. But this one I have to do all around. Oh, this one they have a hole, so I have to put the yarn on it. See, it's just like I'm sewing, and you can see sometimes I use the knitting needles to guide me. This one right here. Because sometimes it's hard for me to do. Okay, so now I just continue this like this. And if you, this is the regular knit. And if you want to do the purl, you just put it in like this. If you want to do the purl. See? But I want to do the knitting for my hat. This is the knook hook, you call. The needles is a knook hook, but I use it for knitting hat because I like it. There's no ending on it. I mean, the crochet, you crochet with ending in a round, but this one is not. See? See this one like this? See? I use 1, 2, 3, 4 colors for the Seahawk. And this one is a ribbing crochet. And all around, see? There's no ending in it. The ending is I started here and then I changed my needle and all around. And the ending is over here. And the inside is not that bad. See? Oh. That's the way. And then I'll put the number in here. There's number here. I have to do the right way. It looks like a 17. My friend said it's 17, but that's a 2. I guess I bring up this one right here, but I have to crochet and sew it. So that's the way. All my hat, I made a hat like this, and then if I wanna put a design, I have to crochet here. So now to continue. See, I'm in the in here because the yarn is right there. So if I change the color, I have to cut it and I put this like that, and you can put it through. Okay, so I have to hide this one right here. Then I had just have to cut it this in the end, or you can put it, hide it. And then if you don't have any more yarn, you just take it up. Some people don't have any patience, but I do. Just pull it like this. Then start all over. So this is the way I do the hat, and then I keep changing colors. And then when I have like I do the 9 inches the hat. Hold on. See, 9 inches. So I just keep changing here, changing here, changing here, changing here, changing here. And then when I come over here, I have to decrease. Yeah, I have to decrease. I show you. This one is see, I do the different starting first. This is a front post. Then up here, I have to decrease. See? And it turns it really good. All right. So this is the way I make a hat. And if I put a design, I just make a design. It's a crochet, because it's a crochet hook. And this is the back. So I continue until how many inches I have to do the green, and then I have to change the oh, that's the white. So this is my knitting. I like it. And sometimes I use this one right here, a knitting needle. So if it's too tight, I just do this. Sometimes it's fast. Like that. See, this is the way my technique is to knit the hat. And mostly I do this all. Then I put a design. I'll stop and make a design. But this hat right here, this is the way I do it. Okay? Then continue and then change the color. All right. Thank you for watching.